Alright, hey guys, so today I want to do a review on the Nautilus Dolphin CC Plus. Alright, so to chat a little bit about this pool cleaner, it's built really nice. It's got the 2 filter cartridges on top here. There we go. And there's another one right here. Alright, and the way that works is you just kind of wiggle the cartridge out like so. Just like that, and you clean it. And these things come apart, so you would just have to open them just like that and just clean out all the dirt that's inside. So what's good about this is that it runs on electricity, as you can see right here. So it's connected to outlet, like this cable is powering the robot. And so what's good about this is that you don't have to use the actual vacuum tubes for the pool, because all the dirt is being stored in these filters inside here. These are a little bit more expensive. They're anywhere from $500, $700 up to over $1,000, $1,500, depends what brand you get. These are a lot more convenient because you don't have to, it collects all the dirt in the filters. So everything's in here and you just clean it every once in a while. As like the other ones, basically you use that tube that comes out from there, and you have to, all the dirt goes into the pool filter, which is kind of gives it wear and tear on the filter of the pool. So in the long run, this is just a lot easier to maintenance and also less headache. So I definitely recommend going with something like this. It's like a one-time fee, but it's worth the investment. All right, so the cable here is pretty long. I've never had a problem of it not reaching my pool at the end there. And it's actually tangle free. So the way it works is it actually rotates around while it's underwater. And it seems to be doing a really good job. I've never had any issues with the tangles. So overall, I'd say A+ on the cable. All right, to see what it looks like on the bottom here. So it's got the 2 wheels and they're almost like little scrubbers, very high quality rubber. Let's zoom in on that. As you can see, very thick rubber. And this is what rotates and scrubs the wall. This is like a sponge kind of material here. And once you turn this on, once it's in cleaning mode, it basically rotates these wheels and just does a really deep cleaning to the walls. Here is basically where the suction is, right here, for the actual water. So there's one here and there's one over here. So as you can see, there's like this little flap here, and that's basically prevents all the big stuff entering. I've never had issues with anything, it not getting any dirt. It's been doing a pretty good job, as you can tell. Zoom in on my pool floor here. So I'm gonna run this pool again in a minute here to show you how it works. But overall, it's really clean. Also, be sure to check out my other video on how I clean the filters. I'm gonna put a link here in the corner, most likely, also in the description. So check that out when you get a chance. It's pretty simple to clean, and it'll give you a kind of a better idea of what you're getting into here. Also, I wanted to make a note on a lot of these scratches here. So I'm getting a lot of scratches from my pool, and the reason is because I have this island. And oftentimes this pool filter, it tries to climb into that little kind of that space area around this island leg, and it gets stuck. So as you can see, it's got some scratches there. So if anyone has any ideas of how to fix that, I'm all ears. I'm thinking maybe put some sort of barrier here just so it can not go past this line. But I haven't really put much thought into it. All right, so this is the actual controller to the vacuum. Okay, so I'm about to turn this on, and when I turn this on, I'm gonna select the actual hour to about 2 hours, and then you're gonna see the robot actually run into the pool. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna turn this on, select 2 hours, and there it goes. Boom. So it's about to go to work. See you later, Dolphin. We call him Donald. All right, so right now he's coordinating the pool. He's looking around. He's got his jets blowing, trying to figure out what just happened. So right now he's suctioned to the wall. And that's another great thing about this one is it actually sucks to the wall and it cleans your wall, not just your floor. So that's another plus. And apparently this thing has some sort of like laser tracking or something. I'm not sure how it works, but it basically like figures out where it's been and where it's going, and it kind of does its thing from that point. So it's got some sort of smart technology behind it. But yeah, there it is. It's doing its thing. It's sucking all the dirt off from the bottom of the pool, and once it hits a wall, it climbs up to the top. So I'm going to give you guys a better look at that in a second. So Donald here is hard at work, and I gotta say something. Ever since we got this thing, it's just been such a relief. You know, I haven't really had to maintenance the pool much. You know, just kind of doing the basic stuff. And I bought this one refurbished, and it's given me no trouble at all. So it's still pretty much in perfect shape. Nothing wrong with it. All right, guys. So overall, I definitely approve this item. Test of time, 100% approved. This is an awesome product. If you own a pool, definitely eases the headache of pool ownership. It's a lot just more efficient, and then in the long term it will definitely pay off the investment.